principal of Ocean Paths Academy had the sole responsibility to take care of my daughter. If I don't get answers to her whereabouts, nor the reason why she is not in school, I promise you, head will blow.
Mama Nuru, calm down.
I will only calm down if you give me back my daughter the way I gave her to you on admission, and get to know the reason why she is not in school where she is supposed to be.
Mama Nuru, please.
Madam Principal,
Miss Hadija.
as I was checking each and every room in the hostel, I found this note underneath Nuru's pillow.
To whom it may concern, read, since I don't know.
What? Impossible! My daughter can't be dead!
Mama,
this is not my daughter's handwriting. She is not the one who wrote that recital note.
Mama,
Dr.
I am going to look for my daughter.
Mama Nuru.
And if you... the reason why she is not in school, then all...
Kyla, let's go celebrate
our triumphant victory!
Woo! Sister Maria! Sister Maria! Sister Maria!
Sister Beverly, what is it?
We have a problem.
One that we can pray about?
No, something that has never happened in this school.
What is it?
Please, let us go. You see it for yourself.
Gracious Lord!
Madam Principal, I found her at the gate and she told me her name is Nusra Barkat.
Nusra, what brings you to my school?
admission.
Admission?
I want to be admitted here.
And... where are your parents? An issue of such magnitude can only be discussed with them.
My mother is in Germany. And she's not coming back anytime soon. I have written letters to her. And all I have received are silent replies. Madam Principal, I have been left alone in this dark world. Alone in this world of hate and inhumane treatment. A world where love and compassion are lost. A world...
Nusra, what do you mean?
Madam Principal, I have nothing and nowhere to go. This world is full of human alligators. So fierce, rude, and crude. Crude with eyes that spit animosity fire. But if getting admitted here is an impossible task, it's okay. I'll find my way.
Wait, Sister Beverly. Madam Principal, I think clearly this girl has nothing with her. No parents here, no academic credential, no identification. But we can't let her wander in wilderness. What if something happens to her? Please talk to our superiors. Please.
Okay, I will go talk to them.
Thank you, sister. Nusra, as the principal talks to our superiors, we believe they will allow you to school here.
Thank you.
Sister Beverly,
Madam Principal,
as I go to our superiors, please take the advantage of the Medic's being in school. And have Nusra's eyes examined to ascertain the extent of her blindness.
certainly.
But Madam